Well, welcome back to another Uncle Keith's paint shop video. As you can see, a Mitsubishi Colt Ralliart. It's semi-stripped inside, but the mandate for this one, and you won't believe it, is to send this as bright a colour as we can find.
Send it.
Send it. So let's go around the damage and find out what... That's broken. And find out what we're doing. So Keith, what can we see? What are we repairing?
There's a dent here.
There's a dent there.
There's a dent there.
There's a bit of something going on here.
Yeah,
But that looks like a bit of tiger seal's been on there at some point.
Yeah. There's little
Scuffs, scratches. It's in pretty poor condition for a Colt.
There's a.
What are we doing there? Someone's had a chew on that.
Yeah, I think someone got a bit hungry.
Yeah, it's in pretty poor condition, isn't it, for a 59 plate? Lack of peel. Yeah. I've not got to the reef yet. Scuff. Don't know. That looks like bird poop. I think we'll ignore that for now. Yeah. Okay. Look at this here now. It looks like we've got some lack of peel. Someone's broke into it at some point. The bonnet. The roof. Look at that. Okay, that's a lot of lack of peel. So you can see that this car requires quite a bit of love. Right now, this is looking very sorry for itself, isn't it, Keith?
Yeah.
Very sorry for itself.
I think we can spend a bit of time on this.
I think this is going to be quite a dramatic impact at the end of the video. Because right now, it looks unloved, doesn't it? Unloved. So let's make this look like a dream Colt. If that is something that can be described. The Colt of Dreams. You be careful up that ladder.
It's a flame.
Well, back on with the Mitsubishi Colt, and I'm happy because it's nice and warm in here, Keith. Right, so this is the base ground coat primer.
Yeah, the primer coat. You'll always put a grey on first.
Hang on, let's come over and have a browse.
It's a bit loud today, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
You'll always put a grey on first, because whatever you're trying to colour, it goes over better over a primer grey. So you'll always put a grey coat, or a white, maybe, but I think generally, or a black primer if you're doing a black one.
For those of you who follow this channel, you know what I'm going to say.
Mate, unmask it, take it out.
I love that colour.
That's how you want them though, ain't it?
I do.
But just black it up.
Yeah.
So we could, at that point, you'd probably have to put another couple of coats on, because that's probably not quite thick enough for it to peel.
Yeah.
Probably put another couple of coats of primer on, but then lacquer over the top. But we're now going to go over with a silver.
So silver over this primer grey.
This is a 4-stage, the one we're doing. We're not allowed to talk about the colour, so we're going to find out at the end, or when I'm spraying it. We're going to put silver on, and then we're going to put the next coat over the silver, because the silver grins through that colour.
Rightio.
And then we've got to lacquer it, so we've got to do, this is a 4-stage.
And this is a coarse silver that's going on.
Yeah, this is a coarse silver as well, where we've only done medium silvers before. This is a coarse silver. And then we're going to put the colour on that we're not allowed to talk about.
Why are we not allowed to talk about it? Because it ruins the surprise?
Because in the videos we talk about the colour 17 times before we get to the end.
We do, yeah. Well, we can't help it. We're excited.
We're still talking about the colour now, so stop talking about the colour.
Stop talking about the colour. We're excited. But that, I'll be honest, I'd have that. That looks ace.
I mean, that's every bit battleship grey. We can lacquer that up, and that's a Nardo grey, ain't it?
Our mate Steve had a set of wheels in this colour once, and we called them filing cabinet grey, didn't we? For a year.
It didn't annoy him too much, did it?
No, not at all. Excellent. Okay, so silver next.
I'll put some silver on, and then I'll come and grab you. You can have a quick look out the silver.
Oh, I look forward to it.
Yeah, we'll get it each stage, won't we?
Yeah, okay.
This is silver, I'm not allowed to talk about the colour.
Don't talk about the colour,
No.
but that is silver.
This is silver. You might be able to see the difference between the Prada and the silver.
Yeah, I can.
This is the coarse silver. I think you can see this more than the medium silver we've been putting on. So this is the second stage. We now got to let that dry again.
So the primer was the first stage.
Silver second stage.
Yeah.
The next colour is the next stage.
How many stages do you want, mate?
And then after that we've got to go around and lacquer it. So I've been around it about 8 times up to now. I've probably got around it about another 8 times yet.
Oh, I noticed we're colour coded the bottom parts.
Oh
of the
yeah. Yeah, if you go straight over that. No problem.
Beauty.
It's a nice improvement.
Yeah, it will be nice.
We'll see at the end, won't we?
Well, we don't know till we try. Looks great in that colour, mate. Okay, so that's a transformation. To start with, we have our intermediary coat. I don't know what you're going to call this, but this is the colour, the paint, the liquid wrap on the car. As you can see, it's particularly tangerine, isn't it?
Yeah.
Particularly tangerine. It's actually looking gold in the video.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
We're going to tint clear coat and make it.
Yeah, so by tinting the clear coat, we should make it a bit sparkly orange.
Well, that's what we're hoping for.
We'll find out in a minute, won't we? Don't talk about the colour. Look confident.
Good orange.
More orange.
Looks like gin.
Does
Looks
it?
like good orange gin.
Yeah. You ready for this? Are you ready?
Yeah. Yes, mate.
Yes, mate. Oh yeah.